All right, guys, update. Got the rear coil springs in and the Dobinson IMS shocks. You know, it was a bear, and I got the new brake pads and calipers and rotors on. Give you little tips. What I had to do is I initially had the jack stands underneath here, but due to my little cheapo jack stands, I really couldn't get the truck up high enough for the rear suspension to sag far enough, and I had to use these block of woods underneath the shock mount, or you'd be resting the vehicle on the dust shield there. So I had it all the way down as low as I could go, and I still was fighting it again. I had to use those spring compressors, which be very careful. There's a lot of energy that you got bound up there. But what I finally realized I could do was, with the jack stands under the frame here, I was able to take my jack with some 2x4s and then lift from the rear tailgate, and I was able to lift up the rear of the vehicle, get myself another inch or two, which we all know an inch or two can make a world of a difference. And I got those springs, shocks, brakes, and rotors on. Gonna get the tires down, lower it down, and see how it looks. These are still just a factory size tire. My plan is to go for 35s or 315s actually. So more to follow.